Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to stop sharing photos between iPhone, iPad, or other devices. Let's get started. On your iPhone, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Photos. And here, you'll see an option called iCloud Photos or Sync this iPhone depending on your iOS version. Simply toggle this off. This will stop your iPhone from uploading photos to iCloud, which means they won't sync to your iPad or other Apple devices. If you only want to stop sharing with specific devices, you can sign out of iCloud Photos just on that device while keeping it on for others. Additionally, if you don't want shared albums to appear, scroll down and turn off shared albums. Now your photos will stay only on your iPhone and won't automatically sync to your iPad or other devices with the same Apple ID. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.